What's up, y'all? Thanks for tuning in to Nini's Way. And today we're making crispy buttermilk chicken tenders, so stick with me. Let's get right into the video. Now, I like to use thinly sliced chicken breasts for my chicken tenders, and I just cut them up into my desired size or portion. But once I'm done actually cutting up the chicken tenders, we're gonna take these and get them into a bowl and get them seasoned up. And also, if you like what you see so far, don't forget to smash that subscribe button and also hit a like for more recipes. Now, don't worry, all of the seasoning that I'm using on this chicken will be linked down below in the description, so you can look there if you want to know what I'm using. I'm going to get these seasonings incorporated well, and then I'm going to add some buttermilk. I like to mix the chicken up just to make sure all of it is coated well with that buttermilk, and I'm going to just make sure that they're covered. Now, once they're covered, I'm going to put them in the refrigerator, I would say at least for 1 to 2 hours. And once that's done, we're going to go ahead and get some clean cooking oil. And I like to pull up my old school Fry Daddy. And I'm going to just fill this to the minimum line there on the Fry Daddy. Now, the next thing you're going to do is just get you a Walmart bag or any grocery store bag. And I'm going to put maybe 2 to 3 cups of organic flour and all of the same seasonings that we season the chicken with. And we're going to use 2 to 3 tablespoons of that cornstarch for some extra crispiness. Get that mixed up well, and we're going to coat that chicken. Now, I'm going to gently shake this. Don't be too aggressive, because once we're done, we're going to open up that bag and we're going to just press that flour mixture into the chicken. Now, once you're done doing this part, it should look something like this. Now, we're going to fry the chicken, and I'm not going to use the basket. You can use the basket if you choose, but I feel like that basket holds you back. I just like to get the chicken on in there. Now, this is what it should look like. I fried it for maybe about 6 minutes. And once you're done with the frying, go ahead and plate it up, and this should be the outcome. You can use ranch, blue cheese, or any sauce of your choice. Now, this is blue cheese. Somehow, these chicken tenders all disappeared, and I made a second batch, and I teamed it with honey mustard and barbecue sauce. If you try these chicken tenders, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch you on the next recipe.